Bridge Course, Standard 9th, Science. Hello students. Last year you all studied structure and function unit of living organism. Now in 8th standard you all studied cells and different their sizes, structure and where they are exactly found. Now let us observe animal cells and plant cells. We are also going to see how the material is transported in the cell and the various processes in the cell. This is beautiful structure of plant cell and animal cell. Let us see various components of these cells. Cell membrane, it is present in both. Cell wall, it is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Lysosome is present in animal cell but absent in plant cell. Plastids absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Endoplasmic, it is present in animal cell and present in plant cell as well. Vacuole is also present in both of them. Golgi complex is present in both of them. Mitochondria is also present in both of them. Now let us see what are these cell wall exactly have function. Cell wall is found around cells of algae, fungi and plants. Animal cell lack cell wall. Cell wall is an elastic and strong coated around cell membrane. It is mainly composed of carbohydrate like cellulose and pectin. Function of cell wall are to support and protect the cell from preventing entry of excess water in the cell. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is a thin, fragile म्हणजे नाजूक and elastic covering that separate cell component from outer environment. Cytoplasm, the fluid between membrane and the nucleus is called cytoplasm. It contains many scattered cells. Cellulites is the medium through which chemical reaction take place in the cell. Next one is cell organelle. There are nuclei, mitochondria, endothelium, vacuole, Golgi complex and chloroplast in these cell organelles. Now let us see activity that consume cellular एनर्जी. म्हणजे सेल्युलर एनर्जी जी काही प्रोड्यूस होते ती कुठे कंझ्युम होते ती पाहूया आपण. एंडोसाइटोसिस, टू गल्प और एनगल्फ फूड and other substances from outer environment. Exocytosis, to excrete waste material out of the cell. Here are some processes that does not consume cellular energy. First one is osmosis. Traveling of water from the parts with more water to the parts with less water through selectively permeable membrane is osmosis. It is a physical process with three possibilities. Which are these possibility? It is hypotonic first, second is isotonic and third is hypotonic. So let us see in detail. Look at this diagram carefully. The diagram itself tells us that what is hypotonic, what is isotonic and what is hypotonic. First let us see isotonic. Medium outside and inside the cell has same proportion of water doesn't go in or out. यासाठी एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करून पहा. बिस्लरीची एक बॉटल घ्या, तिला दोन्ही बाजूनी सरळ उभी केली तर दोन्ही साईडनी एक होल पाडा मध्यभागी आणि ती पूर्ण पाण्याने भरा आणि ती भरलेल्या बादलीत टाका. तर काय होईल, ती बाटली पण पूर्ण भरलेली आहे आणि बादली पण पूर्ण भरलेली आहे. तर त्या बादलीतलं कोणतंच पाणी त्या बाटलीमध्ये एंटर करणार नाही त्या होल्समधून. सो दिस इज आयसोटोनिक. नेक्स्ट वन इज हायपरटोनिक. The cell has more water than the outer side medium, so water come out of the cell. Example बघूया. If fruit pieces are kept in thick saturated sugar solution, the water from the fruit pieces enters the sugar solution, so the fruit pieces shrink after some time. If plant cell or animal cell is kept in hypotonic solution, the water from the plant cell by the process of exoosmosis, and there is contraction of cytoplasm, it is called as plasmolysis. Third one is hypotonic. Here the cell has less water than outside medium, so water enters the cell. This process is called as endoosmosis. Example, resins. जे काही मणोके आहेत आपल्याकडे ते मणोके घ्यायचे आहेत आणि ते पाण्यामध्ये भिजत टाका. आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे मणोके जे आहेत ते वाळवलेले असतात, द्राक्ष वाळवून मणोके बनवतात. तर यामध्ये पाण्याची कमतरता असते आणि तुम्ही जर ते पाण्यात भिजत टाकले तर ते अक्षरशः आपल्या द्राक्षांसारखे गोल फुगतात. सो दिस इज hypotonic process. Let us solve this exercise. State whether the following diagram is animal cell or plant cell. Now you tell me what it is and label the given parts. There are two boxes are given. You are supposed to write down what these organelle exactly name as. Just observe the previous video carefully. You will get the answer there. Second question, try this. Write down the types of osmosis that occurs with resins are soaked in water. रेझिन जर पाण्यामध्ये भिजत टाकले तर कुठल्या प्रकारचं ऑस्मोसिस होतं आठवा बरं. आणि हा व्हिडिओ व्यवस्थित ऐका, तुम्हाला नक्की आठवेल आणि सापडेल उत्तर. सो राईट इट युअर सेल्फ. क्वेश्चन थर्ड, मॅच द पेअर. A side is given and B side is given. I will read all A side. First, cell wall. Second, cell membrane. Third, cytoplasm. In B part, selective diaphragm, the viscous and fluid in cell. Second, and the third one, support the cell. So, match them carefully. Fourth question, write the principle behind exchange of gases in the lungs during respiration. रेस्पिरेशन करताना आपल्या लंग्समध्ये जो काही एक्सचेंज ऑफ गॅस होतो त्याचं तुम्हाला कुठला प्रिन्सिपल एक्झॅक्टली इम्प्लिमेंट होतो तो तुम्हाला लिहायचा आहे. सो ट्राय टू आन्सर इट युअर सेल्फ. मेनी ऑफ यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग टू आन्सर दिस क्वेश्चन्स, बट चिल्ड्रन कीप इट इन माइंड. This is your last year study. Last year you all studied this part. So what government insists that you all are supposed to write it yourself. Teachers are not supposed to give you answers and you will simply do the donkey work. No. Do it yourself. Try to find, if you are not getting, try to find it yourself and write the correct answer.